Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I will guide you through creating a beautiful 3D scrolling animation for a website using Figma. Let's start by creating the main first screen for our website. I have prepared all the materials in advance and packed them in the archive for you. You can find the archive by following the link in the description. All the information I use in this tutorial is taken from the official website of Feastables. Now the top header of the site is being created. We add icons of the user's personal profile, shopping cart, and also create an icon for selecting a country so that it is easier for users to find stores in their own country. So, we need to create a grid for the site to align objects along one line. I choose 12 columns, the margins on the sides are 120 pixels. Let's add some text information to our page. All fonts will be specified in a text document, which I also archived. Specify a height of 700 pixels for our images. Pay attention to the Constraint Proportions button so that when one parameter changes, the other changes automatically in proportion to it. This circle we will use a bit later. Now let's create switch buttons for our site. To design the buttons, I will use the Blob plugin and reduced images of chocolates with a height of 200 pixels. Duplicate our blobs for each picture and color them in the secondary color of the chocolate packaging. Set the icon rotation to -20 degrees. Do all the same for other icons. Swap the product description and our buttons. Now let's start preparing the elements for animation. We take our circle, which we created earlier, pictures of chocolates. Put pictures exactly along the circle line. We place the pictures exactly in the same order as we placed the buttons. Select objects, combine them into one frame and move it to our main screen. Let's somehow highlight our button so that it is clear what page we are on now. I chose to increase the height of the icon to 200 pixels and set the rotation to 0 degrees. That is, put the icon straight vertically. On the second screen, we expand our circle so that a new picture of the second chocolate bar appears and set our picture vertically straight. Of the background and elements as shown in the video. Do all the same with other frames. There will be 5 of them in total, for each type of chocolate. Also create elements for adding an item to the cart. forgot to change the background colors on the 5th frame, so now I will fix this moment. Let's change the chocolate names and descriptions on each frame and start prototyping. On the first frame, select the second button, which should lead to the second frame. We go into prototyping and specify such settings as shown in the video. In the corner of the video there will be a hint with prototyping parameters for our animation. Bind each button to the corresponding frame. I decided to add a touch to the design by adding these elements.
Here is the final outcome of our project. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed it, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask in the comments section below the video. And let me know if you want to see more videos like this in the future. See ya!